Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to bring a video on a stream on a budget part 2. So in this video you're going to have a budget on $100. So I'm going to show you every best performance things under $100 in this video for your streaming setup. So make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. Okay, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing is this microphone. I brought this microphone in the earlier video. I mean, stream on a budget under like $60. So this is the Fifine K669B, and also even you can go to the Razer Siren Mini, but this is good because it's like $30, but the Razer Siren Mini is $50. So half of the budget is going to the microphone. But I'm not saying that both the microphones are in the same quality, I mean the same sound quality, but this is okay for a stream on a budget setup. Okay, so the next thing is a webcam. So in the previous video I used a mobile phone for my webcam, but this time we have budget, so you can go to this webcam. This is the eMeet C960 web camera with a 90-degree angle and a privacy cover, and it's a plug and play. It's totally equal to the Logitech Brio webcam, and this has an 1080p resolution, and it's USB, and this is totally fine for the budget. It's $40, and this is okay if you have a $100 budget. Okay, so next, one of the most important thing is our lighting. So for the lighting, we can go to this lighting, which is the Relino LED video light, which is okay, I know, just $48. So our budget is already gone, but you can get the smaller versions. This is the copy, not the copy, it's like same as the Elgato key light, but because this is too much good for a light. I mean, it's $50, yeah, you're correct, but this light has an absolute amazing power, because I have checked so many videos of this, and this is totally good for the price point. This is $50, $49, but you can get it. But and also you can use a ring light, but this is good whatever you can use. And also you can this is the desktop stand for the lights. You can clamp it on the desk and use it for your this light, LED video light, and also for your ring light, and also you can use it for a web camera stand. If you can't clamp your monitor on the desk, you can use this as a boom arm. Yeah, totally fine. This is not a must, but if you can, buy this too. And the next, a number pad. You may ask why I have put an number pad in this particular video. Yeah, I have used a number pad because I can use this as a stream deck. So there are two popular stream deck brands. One is the Elgato, another one is the Loop Deck. So both of those are too much expensive. I mean, I'm saying that the features are too much good because there are some screen and the buttons like that. But if you have a budget, it's like $9, and this is totally okay. So you can go to Discord, whatever software you use, you can customize the buttons, and you can use this as a budget stream deck. Okay, so that's all for this video. So the cost is, I know, more than $100, but some of the things are not too much required, like this table stand and like this light. So you can use whatever ring light or something else for the setup. And yeah, okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and every product is linked down in the description. Go check it out if you want to buy them. So make sure to subscribe the video and like, and also comment for more videos. So then until next time, goodbye.